NDC sorry no mudi matemi edi ankoa asemi sontameti mi amiama no unim
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo dey so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho by be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey e dey into Sudan say man we need that chi bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra momi enko video bi mra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
NDC sorry no mudi matemi edi ankoa asemi sontameti mi amiama no unim de nti omudi matem no omudi matem because men ka bi mo mabai nanu na MPP for the NDC for kra na tiesi mi so more edi matem de nti no omudi matem omususu se enti men ka bi mo munti na Jantua de wo ye de obi ka tem se nana de mu ye de wa wo ye hu so MPP wa wo ye just obi a wo ene e comedy wo enam se may you perish when e ka cho se comedy me when e ka trel Nyankopon adaroma se kom kra de neme da bi etwam ekom neme ba se mi ye bibia minim panyifo a omuni me value a me ka che mo meya ama me enti ekom neme when e ka che so ka no kra komedo ye de sasem na se etirimu let me motivate you this morning obi a waka no kra bi ekom ne da obi a waka no kra ekom ne da enipa be show free me won crofo mu she me free me mowa just because it is Nana Jantua. The fact said the bia no pe bia me sorry a me nya nipa ba ku mienu be bia me ko
katam na tonam garra so anama ha wula ke te bolto yuala yinyiga yalla
ye bompa ya ma me kra no eno kra ye me manigye be bia ni wa everyday makwa se me kotena se didi o se me ko hi o se me ko program bi o obi be hia no ada wase abompa ya ma that is even enough ekom Debbie memo obi anada se Ghana no yes ekomedo ni aka ni say nsemtrofo and say hey we say dia nsemtro ni de oye hey sa na maya ma o man say no enye nyina na pese o man say maya managia tum say te se manyoni ne timi boa wo e ma wo kwa wanim Debbie ye wa manyofo mu wo papa e wo makoma mu a they want to help the new people. Me won namfofo bebre wo MPP ni NDC mu a they are so genuine, they love Ghana and they love me personally because of Nana oye MPP ni but Nana me MPP ndi o kan ye no kre me NDC ni now so dia wo kan no e ye no kre
nyina yetua ne taku sempoa obi akari koko be bag du wakwa ne yama ne 5 million Satam 31 million sunka 300 and something million. Aye, wakwa ne yama ne 5 million. No de abeto nchenedi. No asan fa fom ko. No akwaji 2 million. No de abeto yi kobi. Sa ya shisika no. Ghana ni sei na Ghana ni pe. Emma Ghana ni me se Ghana ni ho to no. Wonwene hwe. Na so ne ne bere nyina wode ma yese nsem hunu tie ene yese asa wonwene bibia biem na koko kurani akwaji ni sika otuko no kan yese yesika mu ensi dan ensi hwe eno ase da obema ne de atua ne ba fees no na akwaji abeto dem na da ho uwi a waka chensa wa hwe ne ba wonte ne ye wo kanase otom wonte ase first year student ya na esi ebetuo mo kai Your mama ba otua sika we ya yede. Ghana ni enim sa nyansa no onuru ho enti eye waste of money ontua. Because oya Ghana ni nkan. Ghana ni won kaya kamu ni opposition. Kofo ba ye cancellation of basic school fees. Mampani kof enkwada na ye de omo dom mo ye adwuma din aburo ma ho oden so. Kofo na be stop we nyina. Ekosi sai ya yere no ma na kwa wo so fa ye kete kokwa ekosi sai free health insurance free maternal health care ekosi sai kokwa akuafo na kofo onwu omumfu otukwa nyasi akomo omaduro wa fa nipa a ebegu afuo no so kwa yasa to abatu no Ghana ni adwene mienuru kwan na Ghana ni ya Americani na wa hihye da che de ama no jina ne konso bunukom mia no eno ano no wawie
edemano unya Kamila Al-Hassan ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya woni akora bi de ba yi o de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJK unim se atintenhu ta woto na uhwiri treasure unim se atintenhu eta woto na uhwiri treasure onzo obi anka bi ma o DJK onzo obi anka bi ma sa na wiase ne tie so obi asemba fa we afutuo obi asemba susuka na wonnim de da wanim obi asemba susuka na me me srema wo se ebi mu be defend no wo be defend DJK sasai enim guase we ya wagu ne ho DJK nya nipa asem no wo ka no okromu a me se me DJK no minim de ntia me se me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me se baby awo no ankasa no baby isu no ko fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi enka no se de nke ese ye ka no ene wu nti Kamila Al-Hassan ocha krom ha chese DJK na wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me a me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu ya na ho yesere ya na video ni ehwe ni say ya ene de ho na ho hye wo no ene wo na ho hye wo no me say Kamila Al-Hassan ba bi owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de beba abonten enra me ye video ba akoma na eno ne ye part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu DJK misise wa we awe nsem a o ka fa me ho DJK and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na ho kwa ene ewiase no ensa emmeka wo no yenkoka no ano a emmeka wo no yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na wo kra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won fa ma assembly won fa ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa anya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso tonshina baby shi who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what pad sanya wide we say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
We just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana for say me ba we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem fata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones it go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, "Hey, hospital and it goes on and no me say." It is a Kenyan who saying and no man in Aboa. It is a scan of Canada was I would to me say, "Oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort." Name my comfort must sacrifice discard to what the hospitals are most of my comfort. A comfort my facilitator is on the funded free seniors most of my comfort. Is there any Ghana for debut? I find that tables net 10 after the Mokika Mukaka. Why are they shouting? Obian cannon to me and I saw from among common into with the greatest of respect among common to them queen in a home. Chief imam for them common to them queen in a home. Politicians need common to them queen in a home. Market women among common to them queen in a home. Obian cannon to them queen in a home. 2020 Jua, then you know the way forward. Yet you come over so no bow, no the credit scoring system, but I must open content. Nancy Bibi Nina said, "Ye be a kitting, invest kitting. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk." And here same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system also open kitting. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems. Most of them kitting. Is any one day? You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu wache dem me na wo ne wo sia che me sabi me na me ko ka che Rej3ct Dee ma so o mema was come to butu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se dabi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de Rej3ct Dee ma ko gina fese and can form Gafon catch up say, "Oh, Gafon, oh, now more than kinky and we have utilization here." And I got so okay, but to Banama boom, 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 much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear go your credit menu now to me who let be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss Fiums, hey,
Remona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.